Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French expression attributed to King Louis XV of France. How do you say it? In France it is said as Après moi, le deluge, meaning after me the deluge or the flood. Après moi, meaning after me, le déluge, the flood, or the deluge. Après moi, le déluge. You could say it in English, après moi, le déluge. Après moi, le déluge from French, après moi, le déluge. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French expressions and words that many mispronounce. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.